Alright people, we're on our way to the parts store. You gonna go for a little ride with us? We'll show you a little bit of what New York's all about. We'll see if he hits somebody, crashes the car, and see if we'll have proof that he did it.
Proof that the other person did it.
Alright kids, here we go. On our way to the parts store. Tails to the end. Hold on a minute.
Folks, they driving too damn slow.
Look at all the snow. Get out of town.
That's how we're going to build inside.
Exactly. Tell them all about it, Tinker Train.
I just going over to get a piston ring compressor.
Because he breaks everything.
Yeah. What I went through some catastrophic failure and I couldn't get it to work.
Look.
So instead of going to Sears, we're going to go over here to Advanced and we're going to rent one. They normally have them in stock for rent, but if not, we'll buy one and we'll take it back.
Yeah, see, free's cheap. Once again, if you do this right, save some money. Hey, we're gonna go across the river. You guys get to check it out.
It's supposed to be on the rise.
Yep. It's up a little bit, not too much. But there it is, the Chemung River. Now we're on the other side of town.
Now we're on the south side.
On the south side. And we belong on the east side. Go figure. What's that mean? If you guys are in Cali, that could mean a lot.
Exactly.
But they don't roll like that around here.
Like
No.
School skippers.
We're gonna cruise into my favorite parts store. Advanced Auto, baby. No. They're not going to let us take the camera in here, so hold your thought and we will be right back. Alright people, we're on our way back. We had to buy a new one.
Yeah,
Tinker Train broke it.
and they don't run them. They used to, bastards.
Here, we'll show you how we roll it right around here. Advanced Auto Parts, baby. That's the place to go. Stay away from AutoZone. What's wrong with you? Here we go. On our way back to the hood and try this again.
For one piston.
Oh yeah, for one piston, because he broke it.
Yeah.
Go
I'd
figure.
rather break the tool than break the daggone parts. Because if you try to put them in without the piston compressor, you'll snap the rings. They won't fit. So you need that tool.
There we go. Let's see, what do we got over here? Sunoco. What is that place? On the Run? No, that's Express Mart.
Look at the price of gas. $3.69 a gallon. Unless you get a car wash and then you save 10 cents.
Okay. Now, we're going to go on our way back across the river. Again. Here you go. Here's a little shot.
Hey, look, there's the same two scroll skippers. there.
Yep. Busted, kids. Busted.
Hey, what's that guy doing in the trench coat?
There's the old folks home over there. Nice New York style car lot over there. A whole bunch of New York snow over there.
They're covering an Elmira parking lot. It's half of fucking Elmira.
Yep. We are the city of parking lots with no reason to park. Believe that.
Like living in sticks, just more people.
We have the Holiday Inn over here. I don't know why you'd want to stay, but there it is.
Otherwise known as the Hotel Inn.
The hospital way over there. And then of course, we're back in the hood.
And then you got the psych ward right across from it.
Yeah, right across the street. Literally, the psych center people for all those nuts that need to be over there.
And when they leave there, they come here.
Yeah, you can't win. And there's the dually, where the 454 is going in that. Stop. Now you like that big monster of a truck. The 454 is going right in there. And we'll show you that at a later date when Mr. Tinker Train stops breaking shit.
Hopefully, if the weather holds up, the motor will be in within the end of the week. Maybe the beginning of next week. Martin, New York, one day it's beautiful, next day you got 6 foot of snow. So you never know.
Alright, we're going to go back in the house and try this again. We'll be right back.